We have a wide range of printing presses running in the field every day. One of them is the older types, it's called the EP presses. We often receive the question if we can service the EP press series machines by MPS. And the answer is yes, we are equipped to do so, and I will tell you how. We have set up, by our experience, an EP service kit full of the most common and used spare parts. We bring this kit on site during our visit and can take out the needed parts during our inspection or overhaul. Including the right calibration kit and our experienced engineers, we are able to service your EP in the most effective and shortest time. There is no need to wait and order parts. We will take them along and take out what we need to service your EP. Thank you for watching this FAQ Friday. Have a good weekend and see you next week.